there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share these masks with you that we really like. They're the 3M Daily Face Masks, and they come in a pack of 10. So let me show you how it goes on. There is an adjustable nose wire here. So you're going to pull these two pieces out for your chin and for your nose. You're going to adjust it there on your nose, around your chin, get your ear loops on, and there you have it. Now, what I love about these face masks is that they are fabric, so they are reusable. You can wash them and you can use them again and again. They're also very comfortable. They're easy to breathe in. I believe there's 2 layers on them. Something else that's important to me is the strap that goes around your ear is adjustable. So you can see here, you can make it looser or tighter. And I really appreciate this because if you're anything like me, these ear loops tend to hurt sometimes when they're too tight. There's very good coverage here. Below, you can see that it attaches around your chin. You can make it tighter or looser depending on what you need. It doesn't muffle your speech. They just work really great and they're really comfortable. I definitely would recommend these masks, and that is my point of view.